everyone, this is Muhammad. Welcome to TechTreat. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the top 5 quiz websites that can assess your knowledge in programming language like Python, R, SQL, and much more. As we know, we try to learn Python or any programming language, and we wonder where do we really stand. So, in order to find out, I have created this website where you can assess your knowledge. The first thing in this video, it's real Python. It stands top 5 in the list, and it has got many features in there. You can use the Python tutorials, you can use the quizzes. It is mostly popular for its quizzes, but when you go to the quizzes, it has like a limited edition of free quizzes, but it is interesting. So if you click on any of the quiz, when you go through it, like there are 9 questions, so there are limited questions on this website. It is interesting though. Alright, the next on the list, it's called Test Dome. It is a platform that offers skill-based assessments for programming languages like Python, SQL, and R. So if you go down there, you have got many quizzes. It is filtered with a difficulty level, hard, easy, or medium. You can take the test, and if you pass under the top 25% of the score on their platform, you'll get a certificate from them as well. It's great, you should try out. The next on the list, it's called SQL Pad. It is mostly popular for SQL based questions and quizzes, but we do have R and Python as well in this. There are AI mock interviews, and there are many SQL codes as well. You can solve them on their difficulty levels, and there are many reviews on their website which states that many of the job professionals have landed their dream job using this website. And the next on the list, it's called W3 Schools. I have used this website personally and I really like it. So if you just go to the website, and there are many quizzes on different programming languages from HTML through Python, SQL, R, and much more. There are also certifications on this website. If you go to the certifications tab, there are many out there, but they are paid courses. It is up to you if you want to purchase it and use it, but it is really amazing. Alright, the most awaited one, it's called HackerRank. It is the number 1 in my list, guys. So it is a widely popular platform offering a vast array of coding challenges in Python, SQL, R, algorithms, and much more. It's perfect for both learning and benchmarking your skills through hands-on problem solving. So if you click on the Python or any other language whichever you want, you'll get an interface which has many filters towards your right. You can choose problem solving, you can choose the difficulty level, you can click on the challenge and run the code, solve the challenge. And this is how there are many quizzes from easiest to difficult level. You can solve them and upscale your skills. So certifications on this website for Python, SQL, front-end developers, software engineer, and many more. You can give it a shot as well. That is all from my end, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like or subscribe button and hit the bell icon